Steve, did you get taller?
I've been taking vitamins.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's like this high performance grade, like
Oh,
vitamins.
there's the Red Bull outside. They told me it was very healthy.
Oh, it gives you wings. Wait,
Yeah.
so you're floating.
Works super fast.
Oh, wow. Not sponsored by Red Bull at all. At all.
But thermal paste.
Thermal paste. I love scented thermal paste. Now, everyone, anytime I say this, somebody looks at me like, why? It's so stupid. And the first question is like, what? You're going to smell it and then put it on and never think about it again? But no. The idea is, yeah, you put it on, and then imagine yourself 5-hour gaming session. Oh, you're not smelling sweet. You ordered some Taco Bell, so you got wrappers and you still got that burrito scent in there. But it's okay because your PC is starting to warm up.
Right.
And the thermal paste activates the
warmer
scent.
it gets, the more it should off-gas.
Exactly, yeah.
Off-gas doesn't sound good. We need a better marketing word.
Yeah, we need to workshop this. But yeah, no, because listen, I love Lindsay, my wife, but she buys these really expensive candles. They're very expensive.
Yeah.
What if the PC could smell?
It can.
I know, but smell good.
Oh.
See?
Well, I have news for you.
Okay.
At the show, much like you, I witnessed ID Cooling's new scented thermal paste.
Yes. So I did too. Did you smell all the flavors? I'm going to call them flavors. They don't call them flavors.
I feel like you're getting more into liability territory the more you call them flavors.
Okay.
I only smelled strawberry.
Actually, you know what? I will say.
She really shoved it up my nose.
I did talk
it was in there.
I did talk with and luckily, strawberry was the one that actually smelled the closest to strawberry. I actually smelled one of them, which was viola, and it smelled like diaper.
Oh my god!
But not in a bad diaper, not a used diaper.
There's a good one?
Yeah, when you get a brand new pack, it has that clinical floral scent. Yeah, so it was supposed to be a floral scent.
Have you considered just putting a diaper in your computer?
No, my Lindsay's a preschool teacher. I got plenty of diapers around.
Okay.
But no, I could put it, and then it will activate by heat. No, listen.
You could put a diaper on the 5060 because it's shitting itself anyway.
Oh yeah, beep. No, listen. Here, all jokes aside, the PC usually doesn't smell, and if it does, it smells bad.
Yes.
I don't think that has to be the case. And I remember when you did a video tearing down that Yeston Sakura GPU that came with a little scent stick.
Excuse me, it was the Yeston Radeon RX 9070 XT Sakura Sugar Edition Atlantis OC GPU.
Yes, and I messaged you and I was like, dude.
And I connected you with Yeston.
Yes, you did, because I was like, I have to smell that GPU.
Have they sent you one?
No.
Okay, I will.
That's okay.
I will make sure.
We're waiting for future launches. I get it. But listen, I think they're onto something. I think ID Cooling's onto something.
Unironically, years ago I spoke to Height.
Okay.
At this event, and they were experimenting with opening the box, and when you open the box for the liquid cooler, it was supposed to. We really got to rebrand off-gassing, but it was supposed to off-gas this nice smell.
Like during the unboxing experience.
Yeah, and they were serious about it. I said, is this a joke? And he's like, no.
See, I like that.
Someone on the team went to these, the flavor place, and they made the smell flavor.
Place. Once again, flavor. We shouldn't be saying flavor.
That is true.
Yeah, scented place. No, but look, you go to the Taipei 101, you walk, by all the really expensive shops, and there's always just pumps
all the perfume
and pumps
places. Yeah.
Well, no, even clothing places just pump perfume out, to get you in. Listen, and maybe this is a personal thing, but I don't like my gaming room to just continue to smell like BO. We gotta change it. We gotta think about ways as an industry to have a good scented computer.
Adam, is this something consumers should spend money on? Because it's not gonna be free. The scent module in the 9070 XT, I am assured by Yeston, is very high end.
No, you have to. Yeah. But listen, the same reason why I'm always constantly yelling at the internet, get good headphones, quit wearing those cheapy headphones. Audio is super important to PC gaming. Invest in good audio. You want to invest in a good scent. Invest in imagine, you just got 360 no-scoped headshotted, and you're just so raged, but your PC is pumping out these nice, soothed, calming, vibes, and you're like, you know what, actually, I've got the ocean breeze wafting off my PC. It's cool. I just got killed, but it's cool.
But what about scented power supplies so you can mask the smell of the magic smoke if something goes wrong? What about magic smoke smell So that you just that way, if something goes wrong, you don't know. It's like the Apple experience. If something breaks, they just gaslight you into thinking that it was your fault as the end
You were
user.
holding it wrong.
Right.
I was holding it wrong.
Yeah.
You were holding it wrong. We were all holding it wrong. It's actually, I have a funny aside. I watch, I watch some YouTube channels, and they always, pump in some nice smoke. The B-roll looks really nice,
Yeah.
and I'm like, that doesn't look right. It looks like it's on fire. Like I kind of don't like seeing PC parts surrounded by smoke. I get it is for B-roll effect,
Yeah.
but whatever.
But
so
why?
So I'm
are
okay
you-
with smoke.
I don't know if you all know this about Adam. This is not a bit.
No.
Like he actually really cares.
No, I just bought expensive cologne recently.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and it makes you feel good, makes you feel chill.
Weird flex.
Yeah,
but okay.
yeah. So,
but why? Why? Because you were asked about the Yeston thing immediately when you found out it smells presumably good, and now the scented thermal paste. It's been your number one thing for the show. Is it the best product at Computex?
I mean,
Scented thermal
it's
paste?
the thing I'm most excited about it. I have no idea about quality. I don't know how, like another company, a competing company was like, oh, that thing's gonna burn off in 12 hours and you'll never smell it again. And I was like, well, I gotta test it to see,
Right.
so we'll see.
We'll see about that.
Independent third-party
Yeah.
reviews, always wait for those for sure.
There's
so we
a
don't
machine
know.
that's made actually down the street from here. It's a thermal paste testing machine.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to get into this, I can help you get into it, and then we can probably go to some kind of perfume testing lab
Yes.
and buy, because there's counters, there's like particle counters you can get,
Yeah.
and they'll tell you the scent.
And especially
quantity.
longevity over time.
Right.
Like how much early, yeah. No, but I mean, like, once again, all jokes aside, like, I think people do.
I wasn't joking, but okay. That was super offensive.
We've walked around the
Yes.
show floor. We've been to plenty of trade shows.
Yes.
And every once in a while you get close to somebody, and you're like, oh boy, I really wish they thought about
I wish
how
they would
smell.
spread some scented thermal paste, like peanut butter with a butter
Yeah,
knife.
yeah. So
Really get it in there, slather it on.
you can
Yeah.
only imagine
Right.
they go home and what their gaming setup is going to be like.
Yeah.
Like come on, guys, you got to think about having like a nice smelling pad. Like
So the future.
I think version 2 of the PC, 2.0, PC 2.0 was already but 3.0 sure
Right.
is thinking about not only aesthetics but also just the vibe
Yeah.
check. Actually,
Yeah.
here's the other thing. You're playing a lot of Call of Duty and it's known for so a lot of people are already doing that in their
Right.
room. So they're already
Right.
getting some sort of scent in their room. You're already doing it. It's
Yeah.
just not in the PC.
Yeah, but it could be.
You could be in the PC.
could be in the
and
PC.
Guess what? Nobody's doing it except for Yeston and ID Cooling.
And
There's
Height.
a market.
Height did it, but not for paste. They're on the way.
Oh, they are on the way.
They are
Are
on
you
the
breaking
way.
news here? Is this embargoed?
Like some things, when they come out of the box, they have a special smell.
okay.
So not doing it for paste yet, but I think if you send this video to them, the guy there who controls these decisions, 100% he will do it.
All right. My last idea.
Yeah.
I love that stupid scene in Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory where they go up to the wall and scratch and sniff.
Uh-huh.
And I love scratch and sniff stuff when I was a kid.
Okay, so that's
Imagine a really cool case front panel that you just scratch and
There's your thumbnail image right there.
Come on. Oh, it'd just be so fun. Make the PC fun again. Make the PC fun again, which is the inverse of what we're going to talk about next.
Okay.
So
we're talking about something else.
We're going to talk about something
and it's
else.
not fun.
Okay. Tell me I'm an idiot, but you'll see. I think this is a
They'll
trend.
see.
I think
It's gonna happen.
I'm going to quit here, PCWorld. I'm going to go start my own scented PC
Testing
manufacturing
magazine.
company.
Yeah.
That too.
Probably shouldn't be a magazine.
I will test it. No. A scented magazine. You get the little perfume things
That's
in the
true.
magazines, right?
We could bring back print media.
These are great ideas.
Right now.
Why does nobody hire me?
I will literally fund your first edition. I will personally see to it.
I'm going to be on the take. I'm going to be on the take from Steve. I appreciate it. Thank
Yes.
you so much. Yeah. 谢谢.
They're playing us off.
There we go. Thank you. Oh, you weren't that tall. Oh, man.
The vitamins wore off.
Oh, the vitamins wore off.
Yeah,
All right,
they only
well.
last a little while.
Oh, okay, well, we'll go find more vitamins for him. So.
您的脚步来到了周报。